So this is a spring sensory bin, and we've used green split peas as the sensory bin filler, and then we have some little clay pots, and we have some carrots, just pretend carrots that were from a clearance section of Easter, and we have a little tiny watering can and a scoop, and then I created these flowers with a popsicle stick, and then I actually glued on a fake flower and fake leaves, just hot glue. So hot glue and popsicle sticks, and she just can set those right down inside of the clay pots and they stand up. So this is a fun sensory bin for kids who don't put things in their mouth. And you can also see that we put some little beans of a different color to pretend like those are seeds. So anyway, this is a fun spring activity for preschoolers and kids that are old enough not to put things in their mouth.